Alatalo Brothers have a building history spanning 30 years and a reputation as a progressive land developer. Family-owned and operated, we have built over 2,000 homes and developed 25 estates. To simplify the building process, we've introduced 2 new websites. If you're looking for a block of land, check out our alataloland.com.au website. Here, you'll be able to view available blocks within our estates. The interactive maps provide you with instant pricing, availability, soil and covenant information. Alatalo Land allows you to buy direct from the developer to save you money. The updated alatalobrothers.com.au website is still your destination for building a quality home. Check out our range of modern home designs and market-leading inclusions. Be inspired by our latest work in the image gallery and case study videos. All of our home designs can be customised to suit your lifestyle, or you can even start from scratch by making an appointment with our in-house building designers. Create your own house and land package with Alatalo and save. Receive a discount of up to $20,000 when you buy one of our blocks and build with us. At Alatalo Brothers, you don't have to pay more to build it your way.